Hello everybody, welcome to my crochet nook. I'm Linda, and today, would you believe, I've got happy mail. No, it's not happy mail. It is yarn that I purchased from Lithuania, and I think it's Vilrita. I can't remember the name of the company now. I can't remember. But it's come from like Lithuania, and I'm kind of so I'm quite surprised. Let me just see if I can find out where it is, where I got it from, because it's annoying me now. Oh, it is Vilrita. So let's see what I ordered, shall we? It does tell me on here what I've ordered. So it's not a big parcel. Not a big parcel. I think this will be the last purchase of yarn this year. Start again in the new year. I'm going to do some research and see if there's any windy dyes here in the UK next year. Just fancy something different. So let me see. This is what I've got. Got my receipt. Okay, so they're all euro. Okay, so I got some sock yarn, which is a 2-weight. Look at that colour. Rick will really like that colour because I'm doing half and half. I made my first pair of socks, and I did the medium, but they're too big, so I need to do the small size. So I said to Rick, you try the medium, and he put the medium on, and they fit him perfectly. So I've got sock yarn. These are going to be for Rick, I think. Rick can have the nice dark ones and I'll have the Jessie pink. So I'm doing 6 male and 6 female socks in my Sock It To Me challenge next year, and it's a yarn art. Now, if you know me, I love yarn art. I really do. This is the yarn that I use to make my blanket. I just love it. I really do. It's one of my favourite yarns. So I got that, and then I got some of the Madame Tricoat cotton, which is what I used to use all those years ago. Very fine. Oren Bayan. I love this yarn, this thread. It's a number 10 1.5 crochet hook. Yep, and it's made in Turkey. Oh, this is made in Turkey as well. I should tell you what it is, really, shouldn't I? Idiot. 25% wool, 75% acrylic, 100 grams, 260 meters, 285 yards. So that is that. So I've got plenty there. I might even be able to get 2 pairs of socks out of this. This is for my doilies. This is the kind of thread that I really like working with. So that's that. And then I got yarn art flowers. I've never had the yarn art flowers before, but I'm really liking this. And this was €7.99. Say €8, which is I don't know what it is in thingies. So it's 55% cotton, 45% acrylic, 250 grams, 1,000 meters, and 1,093 yards. It doesn't say a colour. Made in Turkey. It's a one weight, and I'm going to be doing a lot more shawls next year and that, and yeah, so there's that. But this is the one I'm really, alpaca, and alpaca is a hypoallergenic, and you know that I tried, and this is Yarn Art Flowers alpaca. So soft. And if you remember the hat that I made with the bubbles, I did V's bubble beanie, and I used alpaca, and it didn't affect, and I thought, I just saw this colour and I really like it. So we've got pinks, and then it goes on to the lemons and grey, and I like pink, lemon and grey. So yeah, and what I like is they got the, you know, the tab to start it. So let's see, it's a 3.5 to 4 millimeter hook. It's a 2-weight vine, hand wash, dry flat, do not bleach. I've got enough here to make whatever, 250 yards, 940 meters, 1,027 yards, and it's 20% alpaca, 80% acrylic. Isn't that gorgeous? Oh, it's so soft. I think it's scarfable. Yeah, it's nice. I'm thinking I might do kind of like I'm not sure yet. I want something to wear over something, you know, like a vest. I might do a massive granny square, and then fold it, and you know, so it's not directly against my skin, but you know, it'll be nice to wear with my leggings and that. That is beautiful. Oh, that is so nice. That is so nice. So nice. So yeah, so that's my little purchase from Vilrita. I will I think that's it for today. Nice little and I've got my Yarn Art Flowers, which I've never had before, and you know, so I treated myself. So really good value for money. I only paid £10 shipping, which isn't bad coming from Lithuania, and yeah, I think I'll be shopping from there again next year, especially because they sell yarn art, and yarn art is my ultimate favourite. Ultimate favourite. Yeah, definitely. Okay guys, I love you and leave you. Take care, stay safe. More importantly guys, as I always say, be kind to you. And until next time, bye bye for now.